Startup Bootcamp Flash interview with Jörg Reinhold. Why are you a mentor to startups?
Because I really love starting things, and I love when people start things, and when I can help, I want to help. That's what I do.
Aren't you too busy?
I think you can do a lot without being busy.
So don't you say no to a lot then?
I have to say no to a lot. But I think I'm such a friendly guy that it's okay.
You were with 5 years with eBay. I actually had a question on that.
Yeah.
At what point did it not feel like a startup anymore?
There was one event when I was at a museum, and someone came to me and said, "Hi Jörg," and I didn't recognize the person. And it was a new hire, which I did not recognize. But then we were 500 people. Of course, I always joked that I had to leave eBay the moment I would hire someone who would just deal with internal organization. And I stayed 2 more years after I hired the first person doing this.
So there's a point where you're big enough that you need like an HR department.
Yeah, HR departments. I think HR departments you can't have early enough, because I think that the quality of the people that you attract and that you make or get to work with you on reaching your goals is a key to success.
So what are you doing now? What's the biggest piece on your plate?
I'm thinking of what to do next, and I have my investment company together with my partner, and the companies we've invested in, and we're working with them. I'm helping Deutsche Telekom to build their Hubraum and everything they want to do to work with young companies. Yeah, and I'm thinking.
So you call yourself an angel?
No, not really. No.
What kind of investor are you? What kind of investments are you making?
Early stage, but yeah, early stage, and then working with the teams.
What do you look for when you make an investment decision?
Something I understand, but that's obvious. Something that can scale. I like disruptive things and disruptive ideas. Enabling people to take the responsibility for their life. Be it starting companies or be it starting companies with ideas that enable people to do that. Like eBay, in a way, was we wanted to give like hardcore capitalism to everyone.